Last month, lawsuits filed by individual survivors of the 2016 Sevier County wildfires were thrown out while insurance company suits could keep going. Well, now new filings aim to undo this by trying to prove Judge Ronnie Greer's decision was flawed. One of the points of contention here was over the notice to inform the federal government claims were on the way as required by law. But in today's filing, lawyers representing wildfire victims said they have since discovered evidence that notice was given to the federal government ahead of time. Another argument today centers around a piece of paperwork. As you can imagine, all sorts of documents have to be filled out in a case like this. One is a claim for damage, injury, or death form. When the lawsuits were thrown out, Judge Greer said these forms were missing specific pieces of information. Now, lawyers representing wildfire victims are claiming the government originally told them these forms were, quote, sufficient the way they were. 14 people died in the 2016 Sevier County wildfires. More than 2,400 buildings were destroyed. More than 17,000 acres were burned. We, of course, will continue to follow this case.